Friends, you can imagine that there is no road to the village in the world, or a village that has its own sun, or a village house that has no doors. Surely you are wondering if it is possible again? Yes, friends, all these villages are actually present. Today I will tell you about these strange villages. These strange villages have become known all over the world today for their strange differences. Come on, friends, we don't know where the villages are located. What are their strange qualities and what are their names? This video was released today to present to you all the basic information about this strange thing. Let's take a tour of these strange villages. Village of Forgotten Minds. This time we will know about a village where people forget. We forget something every day. I lost the key, went to the store and forgot what to buy. But a strange village where everyone forgets. Are you surprised now? Then know people who live in a village in the Netherlands, located very close to Amsterdam. The people of the village have this strange tendency to forget. So this village is known as dementia. There are about 150 houses in this village. People here forget their names even after shopping in the shops to pay for the goods. In fact, most of the people in the village suffer from dementia and Alzheimer's disease at an early age, so they can't remember anything. Dwarf Village. You all know about Jonathan Swift's Gulliver Travels. In that fairy tale, the protagonist suddenly reached the country of Lilliput one day, where all human beings are dwarf shaped. But you know what? Not a fairy tale, a village that we really have in this world. Friends, you must be surprised, but let me tell you, there is a village in China where the dwarf-shaped live. 40% of the people here are dwarfs in size. Their height is much lower than normal people. Doctors and scientists have not been able to determine the cause. Deaf Village, Ireland. There are so many villages in this world. There are deaf people and villages in it, where about 80% of the people are deaf. Deaf Village in Ireland is one such deaf village, which was established in 2012, where young, middle and old age live. About 2,200 people live in this deaf village, out of which 300 people take care of this deaf community. This deaf village has a school, college, playground, swimming pool, market, garden and all kinds of healthy environment. From this village, the deaf community can enjoy all kinds of facilities and maintain friendly use, due to which a deaf person can easily express his thoughts to another person. So after seeing this deaf village, many more countries in the world are planning to create deaf villages. Onsan Village. First we will talk about the village which has its own sun. Friends, you must be thinking now that it is a fantasy, but it is real. Viganella in Italy are a village that has a sun of its own. This village is located at the very bottom of a valley, and it is surrounded by high mountains. So every year from November to February, the sunlight does not enter the village at all. So it is very difficult for people to survive in winter in this village. Cultivation and daily activities are disrupted. Every year on the second day of February, the sun shines here and festivals are celebrated in the village. But no solution was found. So in 2006, a group of prominent engineer and architect come up with a plan to install a huge mirror at the highest point. The area of the mirror is 40 square kilometers. It is planted at an altitude of about 870 meters from the village. When it is planted, the rays of the sun fall on it. As a result, it falls on the sun and the rays spread throughout the village. As a result, the people of the village get sunlight throughout the year and gradually return to normal life. The entire project cost about 1 million euros to complete, but this cost nothing is exchanged for human life. Kung Fu Village. A village in China that is world famous for Kung Fu art. Located in central China, the village is surrounded by the Priangsu Mountains. Its name is Gangxidong. The people of the Dong tribe live in this village. Incredibly, every person in this village is skilled in different types of Kung Fu art. Apart from agricultural work, Kung Fu is the favorite occupation of the people of this village. By practicing this martial art with each other, they become more skilled and they are the ones who train for each other's special art. Although it is not known why they all take materials art training and when exactly this trend has been going on, each of them is trained without arms and with arms. Weapons include long wooden sticks, spear and swords, which they make themselves. This training runs every day. No obstacle can disarm them from carrying on their own heritage. Children also receive training from their parents or family adults from an early age. In most cases, they practice the movement of ferocious animals such as tigers, snakes, or cheetahs. Every one man and woman takes this training. Once upon a time, wild animals used to attack this area. As a result, many people were injured or killed every day. To escape the onslaught, the villagers resorted to Kung Fu art. Although not everyone agrees, the real reason for this training is still unknown. House without doors. Friends, imagine a village where no house has a door. The shop is locked and the local feels safe. How surprised is that, right? But this is not a fabricated story. There is a village in Maharashtra, India called Shoni Singapore. The residents of this village never feel insecure because Saturn is the lord of the gods. They are the guardians of their village. Their blind devotion to this deity. It is said that about 300 years ago, there was a terrible flood in this region, and a heavy black rock fell on this village. When the locals touch the rock with a stick, red blood flows from the rock. Later that night, in the village chief's dream, the god Saturn came and said that the stone was his idol. He asked to establish the stone and said that he would always protect the village from all dangers. The stone was then placed in the middle of the village, and the villagers decided not to put any lock on the door of the house. They need no guardian to keep Saturn. This trend continues today, yet the people of this village, be at rest, live at home without doors. Villages without roads. Friends, have you heard of a village where there is no road? There is a village in the Netherlands. The name of this village is Gaettroen. It is called Venice in the Netherlands. Since there are no roads in this village, the people here have chosen the waterway to get from one place to another. Boats are the main means of transportation here. Seeing any kind of car here, you won't find it. This village is full of nature, beauty, and is surrounded by waterways. Rainfall villages. Mawsyn is a village in the Indian state of Meghalaya, where it rains the most in the world. There is about 11,872 mm of rainfall throughout the year. The Guinness Book of World Records has recorded its name as a rain village. This village is also called the Kingdom of Clouds. Extreme levels of flood danger were announced in at last took place. Residents use a variety of methods to protect themselves. The women here make things like umbrella with bamboo, plastic, and grass, which protects them from the rain. Sleeping village. Friends, have you heard the name of any village where people sleep day after day? In 2014 in Karachi, Tajikistan, an outbreak of a strange disease occurred. The people here sleep day after day. Again, when they wake up, they don't remember anything. For many years, scientists have found no cause for this strange sleep, despite various studies. The village is also called Sleeping Hall for this strange sleep. About 14% of the people in this village are affected by this disease. Once in a school prayer meeting, 6 children fainted and fall to the ground. Many says that the people of this village spend a few months of the year asleep. It has also been observed that people walking in also suddenly fall asleep and start snoring. Even the domestic animals were not spared from this strange sleep. Although scientists are still doing research, yet the cause of strange sleep is unknown to the whole world. Village of twins. We see the twins and are amazed. There are typically 40 to 45 twins in 10,000 babies worldwide. But in the Indian state of Kerala, there is a village called Kudini in Malappuram district where twins are born in many homes. As of 2008, there are more than 560 twins in 2,000 families in the village, and the number of twins are growing every year. Twins of different ages can be seen here. This is why the village is also called the Village of Twins or Twin Town. Surprisingly, not only twins but 3 or 4 people look alike. The village is listed in the Guinness Book of World Records for its special features. But why are so many twins born in this village? It is still unknown to scientists, but the people here believe that there is a miraculous power behind it. So friends, these were some of the strangest villages in the world. Let me know in the comments which of these villages you are most surprised to know about. And if you like the video, like it and share it with your friends. Next, subscribe to the channel to get such informative videos and press the bell icon next to it.